Our world is changing at a rapid pace. Impact of technology on our lives is increasing every single day. Hence, it is crucial that next generation gears up with technology skills and innovation mindset irrespective of the career path they choose. However, today's education system confines students to mere textbook-based learning. It is important that we give students right environment that nurture their creativity. This is where STEM education helps. STEM is a globally accepted approach in which learning happens through hands-on projects that uses science, technology, engineering and math. But there are many difficulties in this approach. For example, soldering could be hazardous. Breadboards are difficult to use and getting right material could get challenging. Also, learning too many details like coding right at the beginning demotivates students. Cretile creatively solves these challenges by offering technology building blocks. These blocks can be easily connected to make circuits quickly. They avoid wrong connections, making it completely safe. With large variety of Cretile blocks, one can make virtually limitless combinations. The kit comes with a book containing step-by-step instructions for large number of interesting and innovative project ideas. So, students can make simple to serious electronics, robotics, automation and IoT projects. With large variety of Cretile blocks, students can make virtually limitless combinations. Let's see some examples. Need powered pencil sharpener? Use Cretile motor to make one. Going on vacation and worried about your plants? Detect morning with light sensor and water your plants with pump automatically. Love playing with remote control cars? Make one using wireless transmitter, receiver and motors. Home automation is very popular nowadays. With Cretile, make a remote to remotely control your curtain. With Cretile, students can learn programming in a very easy way. With its drag and drop coding language, they can focus on logic, write code and control Cretiles. For example, this is a program for blinking a light. And this is how light will blink with it. With Cretile, students can control electrical appliances too. This is Cretile Smart Switch. It is being controlled by a motion sensor. So as you enter the room, motion sensor triggers the smart switch and the table lamp switches on. And that's not all. Students can even learn to develop Android apps to control Cretile. This is how easy it is to build Android apps using MIT App Inventor. Make an app and control Cretiles with it. This is how a sample application would look like. Here is an example. In this, an app is developed to control a robot using gestures. Isn't that awesome? Possibilities are truly unlimited. Grab your Cretile kit now. Give wings to the innovator in students.